In this video, I'll show you how to turn on sleep mode on your Fitbit Charge 5. By the way, what sleep mode means is that it will turn off all the notification, it will dim the screen, and it will also turn off screen wake, which means when you're moving during the night, you're probably moving your wrist, the screen won't automatically turn on and blind everybody around. I mean, your partner or yourself. There are two ways to do it, so let me show you. First, wake up your screen and scroll down. Now you can see payment, D&D mode, and sleep mode. This is a shortcut. You can turn it off by simply tapping on it, and you can see sleep mode on. There's also another method, which is, let me go back to the first screen, to do the same exact thing, to swipe down. But this time you'll go into settings. Tap on it. Now scroll down to quiet modes. Scroll down until you see sleep mode. Tap on it. You can now activate sleep mode from this screen. But there's also another feature very useful if you don't want to toggle the sleep mode on and off every time you go to sleep. Is to scroll down here and turn on schedule. Once you turn on schedule, there is this feature named interval, which means that the sleep mode will start and stop at the time you set every day. So you don't have to manually target. Tap on interval and now you can set the time when you go to sleep usually. Let's say 11. Once 11 and then tap on it to select the minutes. Let's say 11:30 AM or PM, let's say, well, PM, and it will set it. Same thing, set up when you usually wake up, let's say at 7:24 AM. It will set the time you just input. Once you're done, swipe from the left to the right. And as you can see, the intervals are here. To make this feature work, don't forget to leave schedule turned on and sleep mode turned off, since we don't want to toggle it manually every time. We want to rely on the schedule part. Once you're done, just swipe left to right until you're back to the main screen here. And you're done. Thanks for watching, and if you have other suggestions, please let me know. If not, just leave a like, that will be really appreciated. See you in the next one.